brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. The only thing I did was pick out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and not work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
There we go, I can see now. Chad, what's up, baby? Welcome back to New York sessions with the G's. Cribbo, how you feeling, brother?
Yeah, it's a long day. It's Chad. It's been a day.
We are all over the place, but
Yeah, it's been a day.
nonetheless, we are locked and loaded and ready to go. Chad, I hope you guys are feeling good. Hope you guys are ready for it. It is going to be a good one. And again, we are just coming off of the previous month's trade-off. So again, congratulations to our winners over there. But Chad, we're going to get right into it over here. And then we know what you guys are all here for. You're all anticipating that beautiful giveaway. So don't go anywhere. We're going to get right into it. But before we do any of that, we're going to open up with a prayer over here. And Cribbo, do you want to open up with a prayer for us there, my brother?
I thought I Uno reversed you, but I'll pray. Then you can pray tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Chad, I'll pray first, Chad. Let's bow our heads here, Chad, and let's open up here with the prayer. Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for another afternoon being with us this entire day. We just want to come with thankful hearts before your throne and just say thank you for every be it small, be it big, every faithful gift that you've given to us, Father, and we just want to give honor and glory to your name. We don't want to ask anything yet today, this afternoon. We just want to come and say thank you, and thank you for being with us, and thank you that we can trust you. Thank you that we can trust that you guide us, that you lead us into all truth. And again, everyone here in the office, the chat, all of us, Father, we just want to say massive, massive thank you. And we don't ask anything. We just say thank you. Amen.
Amen. Beautiful stuff. Chad, let's get right into it. Are we still going to do our market analysis?
I think you can just give it like a little bit of a high level, just a high level. I'm going to get the giveaway ready here so long.
Chad, for those that don't know, so obviously Chris still had his trades. You closed your trades, if I'm correct. They're the one you have still open.
Let me actually, Keys, let me do this quickly.
Let me
quickly do this. Let me quickly do this. Chad, okay. US 30, I closed out somewhere. I don't know why this didn't save. Let's just do these two. We're going to do the giveaway shortly. I know you guys are salivating for another iPad. I think you boys are going to salivate for the MacBook, bro. I wish there were streamers back in the day that were giving winning trades and giving away MacBooks. But anyways, Chad, before we do anything, kindly note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do suggest that you consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decision. The only guarantees we have on the stream is that you will lose money if you follow what we do here. So please do not follow anything we do here. And with that being said, we thank you so much, Chad. Alrighty, Chad. So from this morning, we had some buys from somewhere there, if I'm not mistaken. The target was your average daily range up there and a little bit less, say 252. I basically closed out my trade after we failed to hold above that area right there. So again, that was the session high, daily high, weekly high. And I know what happens if you don't continue very strongly bullish there. It could retrace. So I locked in somewhere there. Right there, Chad. So 146 for me. Decent start to the week. I'm not looking to do anything now. If we hold above this level, great. This can go bullish, but I'm not going to double dip here today. But if it holds Asia highs, if you want to double dip, you should be in already. This should be your trade idea. Holding Asia highs, and this can potentially go and retest that daily high right there. That is the one idea. If we hold above this daily R1, we're going to the daily R2. So there's a trade idea that could work, couldn't work. I don't really care if it works or not. I've already taken my piece. Gold, on the other hand, is absolutely doing a number here for us today, Chad. And I mentioned to you guys, please go and watch this morning stream. My average entry price is around about 33.05. Okay, that is my average entry price. I've got a young 3-stack in here. I think I should be smiling quite nicely, Mo. Are you smiling?
Am I smiling? I know you're smiling, bro. Let's see. Player. Come on. I will be with you tomorrow, bro.
Okay. Mo is with me tomorrow. But anyways, Chad, gold 33.05. That was my average entry price. And remember what I said, first level of interest is going to be that 200. Then we're going to look at that daily flip. Currently looking at it, I'm actually going to set my TP at 33.30. And give me 1 second. Sorry, Kiggs, I'm hijacking your stream here.
Nah, bro, go for it.
I just wanna set these TPs 33.30. Then I'm out. Then very, very good start to the week here. Very, very good start. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, Chad. That is where I'm going to jump out of gold. And yeah, that is it, Chad. Beautiful, beautiful start to the day. Can't complain. I'm just going to throw over to Kigo's screen to quickly get the giveaway ready. Keegs, shot,
Perfect,
man.
brother.
Appreciate it.
All right, Chad. Now that you guys are all up to date there, so let's get into what I was looking for. Yeah, I also took a little bit of a short on gold, short a long position on gold. Quick scalping, obviously part of the new secret sauce we are busy building. Bro, I hate to sound like that influencer, but that secret sauce, last 2 weeks, 100% win rate. That hasn't lost a trade yet.
Where do I sign up?
Chad, like I hate the fact that, but it's all journaled. It will literally be shown. The account is literally being documented. It's absolutely actually crazy. But it's not stupid returns there, Chad. It's little things of doing that one trade a day, positioning it, doing it. Like I'm literally trading once, getting the TP, and I leave that account. And that's it. The cracker also continue its absolute form. Also a TP there. We were lucky enough. I thought it was going to pull back. It wicked us at our TP and then turned around. So we'll say we got a bit lucky with that one. But yeah, the charts, what are we looking at? So dollar, we said to you guys we were still having that neutral idea. Why? Because two things. We are bearish but neutral because Monday we expected a bullish move. We also hold in the weekly pivot, and that will then give us a retest of that yearly support. If we get above that, that's where everything changes. But that's why we could anticipate seeing that move come in from the dollar. Looking quite aggressive over there, if we have to put it that way. NASDAQ, very, very rangy price action. I personally wouldn't be touching any of this over here. So we can see what's happening. It is just bouncing around. I do have a little bit idea of a bearish move, as I said to you guys, purely because we wanted to see a gap close there. We actually hit it now with that market open a little bit earlier. So if you guys pay attention to that, you'll see there was that move. We never went forward that week, now hitting it. So there, that gap is closed on NASDAQ as we saw look of it now. But very, very pricey action. Lots of wicks over there. So I think you are just going to chop left, right, and center. I personally wouldn't go there. US 30, as we said, the cracker getting quite lucky with just being able to hit TP. But on the 4 hour, as much as I'm bullish, that's why I said the problem comes in is that I do still see a potential sell-off. The gap isn't closed yet on US 30. We're not going to just sell because we've always spoke about people having that mindset. If you're just going to look for the sells, that's the day it's only going to sell probably a month later, and you're going to be completely broken, maybe homeless by the time that sell eventually does come. So you need to just have the idea that yes, it's there, but have your mind open to the buys as well. And that's where we're seeing that buy trading there. If it can break back underneath here, that's where you can have confluencies to build up. Go for it by all means. But that's just part of it. Then gold, again, this has been the lucky one here for us. The idea of being bearish. Now, we had a bit of a neutral outlook. Again, same reason. We are bearish, but to a neutral outlook because of Mondays. The idea of the weekly pivot was above us. We wanted to see all that be played into. And the same thing we said to you guys this morning. Now, if you guys remember, we said this morning, two simple things. I said I wanted to see these lows being taken out, which we saw. Daily S3 being held. Then what was the secret thing? We in our crossover sessions, we saw gold take those lows again, failing to then drive away a second time, coming off of a bearish engulfing where there's volume, failing, turning around. And once we had this candle, yeah, bullish engulfing off of the daily S3 back into the range. Very, very simple stuff. We basically looked over there. We had some little secret sauce, you know, come into play. We got into the bars, and all I did was literally scalp it just above the daily S2. Why? Because we could possibly have bounced off of the daily S2, so it was just a little scalp into that daily S2. That was my win. And again, we also sit there now, the retest. If you look here, since breaking away, this is our retest of the weekly pivot. So this is where this thing can break all the way back down again. Otherwise, where you want to see gold actually get above this weekly pivot, and it can drive all the way bullish. Asia highs remain untested. Personally, I'd even say maybe 33.20. That's just a good number there. But that's everything for me, guys. So let's get into it.
Alrighty, young gentleman there asking touch on GBP USD. Brother, please go and check this morning's analysis. Go and watch it. I did mention on the daily that this is that potential retest area. We are still bearish. No trade set up for me. I did say this morning if we reject Asia lows and that level, it can go lower. Now currently back inside the Asia range. You could even see this going all the way up to Asia highs, but no clean setup. GJ, beautiful, as mentioned this morning as well, bullish, while Chad, it still fascinates me that these concepts, these little tricks of the trade, if you go to this morning stream, what did I say? Taking previous daily low, failing to hold below it is a very bullish sign. And there we've went and tested that range. So if you were locked in, you would have known. But Chad, now, unfortunately, I couldn't do a wheel thing because there's 9,000, not 9,000 traders, but there's, remember what we said, the more you trade, the more entries you get. So every trade was an entry for you. So there's 9,000 entries on here. So we're going to use ChatGPT. Let's see if it works, Keegs. 3 random rows. Let's see what it's doing. Let's see, it's analyzing. Look at this. Oh, there we go, Chad. So the first winner is, does this look like your MT4, MT5 number? 400-357-640. Then if that person is not gonna respond, we're gonna go over to 913-27050, and then we're gonna go over to 35159-133, Chad. So that is our winner there. Unfortunately, we can't give out names.
Yeah.
But
So it's unfortunate, Chad. I'd love to be celebrating with you right now, but I don't know who you are.
unless you want to claim it on the stream, is that? Let me just put it back here. Is that your MT4, MT5 number? Let's see here.
I think if I'm correct, I think the one is your MT5 on the right. I think the left might
No,
be
that's
your,
just the row number. I'm talking about these.
Yeah.
That's not me. Keys, I'm just gonna throw over to your screen. I'm gonna look quickly. I'm gonna quickly look, see if I can give it a look. See there.
So we're gonna have to see there, Chad. But yeah, the minute we have it, we'll do the same thing. We'll let you guys know who the winner was once we know who the winner is.
Okay, wait, I wanna check for us quickly.
See if Trevor can pull it up there for you guys. But yeah, Chad, there you guys have it. We're going to go today, but we need to do a little bit of content stuff behind it. So hopefully, the plan's tomorrow to go
Buy the MacBook.
go get a little Mackie for you guys and
Mac
see who can claim
Dizzle.
that next baby. Guys, pretty much have 3 weeks left to do that. So we'll see what happens. But Chad, exciting times. If you guys miss it, it's unfortunate.
Okay. Wait.
What's the numbers again? Hey boy, just hold on.
Wait, I want to give it to you now. Wait, let me see.
What's the update on the automation? Chris and myself are hoping that the end of next week we should just be doing a
Yeah.
bit of testing on it, and once we've done the testing on it, then it can go out to you guys. But you will have it before the end of July, guys.
Keys, wait, I want to get it now. Shit. Let me see. My neck is choked from today. Chad, today was one of those days where I didn't even sit still for 1 second.
Congrats. Not me, maybe Rex. Congrats, winners. Yeah, well, technically Leonard's just the one winner, but if number 1 doesn't answer us, then it goes to 2. If 2 doesn't, then to 3rd.
Okay, let me keep
And if 3rd doesn't answer, we got to redo it again. Thanks for the update, Geeks. No stress. We are trying to work
Oh
as
shit,
quick as
I
we
can't.
can.
I can't see it either. I don't know
Why
why.
can't you see the email? Hold on. Chad, actually, I might have it something. Where's the winner?
There's it. There's the number. Maybe ask H. Oh, the API. Check. Okay, Chad, we're gonna check here for you guys. check there for you guys. Carla Forsleur is there. Carla Forsleur, yeah, in the chat. Carla Forsleur won the Vault Funder giveaway. There's the numbers again for the guys. Let me actually copy it quickly. You can have it here on screen. Chad, what a way to start the week. Alright, there we go. Just create a little space in between them. Not Carlu, Carla. Carla. Alright, Chad, there is our winner. So if our winner does not answer, then it rolls over to that person. If that person doesn't answer, it rolls over to that person. Let's check US 30. Wee! That was your idea. Gone and clapped. It seems like we are first going for that gap fill. It's not a micro gap. That is a decent gap daily flip. Chad, one thing I would say is if we are trading somewhere down here a little bit later today, I will be taking longs, eh? I'm just letting you guys know. So if we are trading somewhere there a little bit later this afternoon, I will be taking longs. Gold. You know it is. Is H gonna send to us? Okay.
Bro, you must see how funny it is. We've got some newbie traders here in the office making money, eh? They're just following this thing that's telling them to buy and where to put TPs and where to sell and where's stop losses and
Really?
it's crazy, bro. Absolute madness.
On what? Is it an indicator?
Yeah, bro. I think it's an indicator. Absolute
Right.
madness. The people don't even know what BE means, but they make it in bags.
On what time frame though?
Gold. It either was the 1 or the 5.
Let's check with the filter on.
There you go.
No, that was a stop on the buy.
Oh,
Gold.
I think their filter was off because they was just over there. Otherwise, check the 5. It is gold.
Is it gold?
It's gold.
Did they have their filter off? Let's check
Check the
here.
5. The guys are saying 5 minutes.
Filter off.
No, but they're saying check the 5 minutes.
The 5 minute. Okay. A little mixed bag there.
Pretty similar trade to yours.
Slightly, yeah, it was selling here this morning. TP1 buying now. 1 minute filter off, just going for buys. So bullish. Wait, but why is it only buying though? Keys, I'm just gonna throw on your screen. Why is it only buying though? Okay, wait. Sorry, I just want to check the code here. Okay, no, that's right. Sorry, I was confused there. It's right.
Okay, so I got the account numbers of those 3 meta accounts.
The filter is, it just cleans the airflow. I don't know if you've heard a VW velocity without a filter. Keeks, what does a VW without a filter sound like?
Sure, right. Especially when they got that little intake there in the front. When they swap the eyeball for a nostril.
Wait, I can't even make that sound. Let's quickly. VW. No, just there's quite a few criteria that goes into the indicator, so it's just additional filter, almost like you get less trades, but it's more. Let's quickly if we.
Right, Jay, we're trying to contact.
Okay, we do quick sound test. Just rev it. Okay, now we can zoom out. Just rev it quickly. So this here is with a standard thing.
They sound like they just want to break, bro. Like that's pain.
We're gonna get the bazooka intake quickly in here.
The bazooka.
What you do is you loosen
Chow.
the standard box where the throttle.
Owens gooien een bazooka in there. Chee, the
And
Owens.
then we can hear what it sounds like. No rook, is that? I need to close.
You
You
gotta
have
hear
to
it now.
keep it closed or keep it on.
He's gonna hear it now, my bro. Wait, listen.
I don't want to rev it. You rev it as you walk out with it.
Bro, I love it. Bro, as a schoolboy, this was your dream. A velocity with a cone filter. Cool. And there it's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, Chad. Nothing like a VW with a cone filter on. Keys just pulled the gluk gluk. Fourth time joining the stream. How does it work? Very simply, sign up with XM. There is your link. We're giving away a MacBook this month. Giving away a MacBook this month. Lexus acclaimed cone filter Kinney boys. Chad, I think I told you the story when my wife had a Polo player and I put a cone filter on that.
Alright.
Definitely would never get one again. Hey, Keenan. That
Okay.
is a-
Chad, so how it's gonna work? The guys are gonna get hold of you, so you can expect maybe a phone call.
Do you know
from-
these?
I
Do you
don't
know?
know. They
didn't wanna-
they can't say.
okay.
So they said they will do what they did last time, same as they will get hold of you. Just say that you could expect a call from them, and then just say you're happy to disclose your information to us, and then they can share it to us.
Alrighty, there we go. Chad, from a trade management point of view, let's quickly look at what we are doing here. So we're currently holding above that 200 EMA. There was your retest. This playlist is aggressive.
Yeah.
Very aggressive.
Are you no
playlist.
longer offering the Project G membership? Why do you say that?
Who said that?
Gal asked there. Your Lisa.
No. Project G is still. What do you mean not offering Project G? Project G is the foundation. It's almost like Vitality. Project G is like Vitality for the Gs. Chad, I'm trying to figure out where do we manage this trade? Because there's currently no reason for us to jump out of the trade. And you don't want to just jump out of a trade because it's in the blue. So you want to have a reason if you're going to exit the trade, why you want to exit it. So because if it's still printing bullish order flow, no reason to jump out. Okay. So what I can say is, Chad, this is a valid area for us to monitor.
So I'm an XM account holder but did not link via your service. Can I enter any competitions? Just a question.
Just use our
You
partner
just-
code, create a new account, trade with that one. 2G's Trading, all capital.
Yeah.
When you open up that new account on your profile, you don't have to open up a new profile, just a new trading
Just
account.
when you log in, it says they open additional account. You open that account, choose what
Use-
account type you want.
Sorry,
to
that's
gain.
wrong. Not 2G Trading, 2GS.
2GS.
Yeah.
But then obviously keep in mind, because guys, keep in mind when you guys do that, the accounts, as in like the trading account, is linked to us. So also, what a lot of guys have been doing, our support team's been picking up on, is Oaks are saying that they keep losing the indicator, for example, because they're inactive. And then they tell us, no, but they're not inactive, they're trading. But then what happens is maybe they were trading a bonus account, then they changed over to an ultra low spread account. But then the ultra low account, they didn't link to us. So they've been trading, but now the account that was the one linked to us, they forgot to link the new one. And then you actually lose access to the indicator, for example. But so it's on the account. So you need to trade on the account that is linked to us.
There you go.
So I like to answer AWTTFX. Yeah, if you already have an account with them, just open a new one and link that one to us. And as long as you're trading on that one linked under us, you automatically every month are put in for the giveaways.
Yeah, just trade with us, Chad. Chad, I'm gonna go break even here. All right. No need to keep risk on the table. Just do this quickly. Alrighty, there we go. Alright. Can we go higher, Keegs? What do you rate? What is the puff adder telling you there?
Bro, this thing is starting.
He's still in.
No, I closed already, bro. But
Really?
this,
Why did you close there?
because I was happy. I'm doing that account thing, so I'm.
Oh.
But like, this is. Bro, just check it. That's. No one.
Oh, so you base it off the cracker.
Similar to the cracker mixed with
look
it.
at me. You base it off.
No, so just.
Wait, no, wait. Alright, Keegs, I like it. I like it. Sign me up. Sign me up.
Bro, you think I'm joking? I'm gonna show you the journal. In the journal, it's just still, it's called
No,
Puff
I
Adder.
bel- I b-
No,
Oh,
I'm saying
you
it's called
said-
Puff Adder.
The sneaky puff adder.
Check it, bro. Puff Adder, Puff Adder.
Oh, Keegs, incredible stuff. Alrighty, Chad, what I'm currently looking at is two things here. So this is a breakout, and we've got the weekly pivot there. So if we close below this level and the next candle does not continue up and it closes below this zone, I'm killing the trade. We've had an incredible day so far. But if we hold here, I'm gonna wait for one more push above here, and that could be the final drive. Okay. There's your session high, your not the daily high, but that is your session high. And then I want to see us pump that level.
Hey, Chad, guys trying to, we can hear you. I mean, I said, Chad said, eating, what are you eating? I'm a market Gatsby.
Bro, one side of me just wants to lock. But
What is it that now? Did you go to the next one?
almost.
Right, that thing is moving nicely.
This thing is going smooth.
Can you guys sign me up whether it's a two-piece McNuggets or cracker mix with a secret sauce? Chad, it is. It's been good. 200 is 200 on that gold trade. 200 is 200.
Bro, was it? It was. No, it wasn't 200. It was for me 140. Yes, bro. I'm so greedy that I do not lock in 140. Bro, that is greed gonna charm me? I still need to go pick up my kudu, bro.
Hey, bro, we're just vibing here with you.
Kitty. Yo, give me 5 minutes, Chad.
We're not, the man's
Give me 5 minutes. Kitty.
watching some bags move in front of him.
Just give me 5 minutes. Well, not 5, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. I just want to see. I might close. If we close like this, I'm out.
Sure.
If it closes below that level, I'm out, Chad. Because then we're going to get a deeper pullback, and then, yeah, it's not for me.
Dizzy bubbly.
Ah! Come on, gold. Don't do this now. I think I need to start pulling fibs to keep this thing up, Keeks.
Oof. We're pulling fibs out now.
You're not ready for... If I start pulling fibs and start drawing patterns, yeah.
So you know, Chad, it's difficult out here.
Things are gonna get 3 minutes. Fib dotting. No, man, Brian.
The Kribonacci.
Kribonaki. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. No, gold. Come on. Let me just get this bulk operation ready here. Spit on it and fib on it.
What?
Spit on it and fib on it.
Hey.
New 30-minute bottom wick. Let's check if Brian has got... Okay. Brian, technically, if we close like this on the 30, next candle can create a bottom wick, flip, bullish, break that session high, and just absolutely go for it. But I'm not going to be around for that. I'm going to... 1 minute 38, Chad. 1 minute 38. If we close like this, I'm locking it. Please close above. I don't want to lock you now, but I might need to. 1 minute. Wait, let me just check here on my. No, but check the thing is that it hasn't even gone there. Okay, but I see what it's trying to do. But I'm not gonna be here for it.
Oh.
You see what it's trying to do? Just come and kiss it. 50 seconds.
You don't want to hang around for that.
Nah. I'm good. When I was younger, I would have hung around for that. But once you get older, become wiser. Come on. Uh, 25. No, I'm happy with locking profits. I just want to not. I want to over manage a trade. You want it to at least be reasonable as to why. Alrighty, chat. That is. Boom. Shakalaka. There we go. That is me out for 95 pips. Could have been 140, could have been whatever. But Chad, that is the session. That is the session, Kigo.
You made it out alive.
I'm done, Chad. I'm not trading US 30. The only way I'm trading US 30 is if we are trading somewhere down here a little bit later. Then I'll be buying. Other than that, that's me, Keeks.
Chad, we said there's a good chance going for that gap close, but don't want to get involved in that. It's Monday, super choppiness. As I said, don't want to be getting cut in that. Slice like a chicken Monday, and I've got the rest of the week to try survive. And gold, nothing wrong there. So cracker also great day, continuing its momentum. So can't complain. Chad, as you said, we are going to be getting in touch with you about those giveaway winners. So hopefully tomorrow we can give you guys a little bit of update on who is the winner. We can get ready to close that up. But Krobo, any closing remarks from you, brother?
No, Chad. I think we just continuing with the momentum from last week and the week before that and the week before that. So again, like we said, just been blessed. It's been honestly very, very good, and we can't complain. So just very thankful for that. Now that I've closed the gold trade, it could run 4,000 pips here without me, but yeah, I might need to look into this theory. So say I'm closing, let the market make it. I'm kidding. No such thing as market makers. Anyways, Chad.
But Chad,
Peace and
again,
love.
before you guys go, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and we're going to see you guys same place, same time, road to 20K, baby. Chad, but as always, it's been good. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.